Today I will be showing you how to hide like counts on Instagram. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. Okay, first we're gonna go to Instagram, and then you're gonna go to your post and click on any post that you want to hide like counts. So this post currently has 1 like, which is by me, and if you want to hide this number of like, you can click on the 3 dot next to your username, and it will show you the option to hide like count. Click on it, and it will hide the number of like. If you want to see the number of like, click on view like. And that's how you hide like count. If you want to unhide your like count, the number of like count, just click on the 3 dots again and click on unhide like count. And that's how you do it. Thank you.